face reveal he's so cute, but no freckles, guys.
Thank you.
Rascal dog, you didn't even know, brother. It didn't even make no sense. We talk, cause we wrong the same way. Charge if you don't want to know if me take out money out her blood clock out, no. Me send it on her PayPal just because she the vex. I mean, no want she gone away. So I go suck out to the mother. Her money dey on her PayPal on her phone. If you don't want to know things, me not afraid to talk. I mean, I put me hand on her since morning. I hold her from come out of the bumbucklat house. So if her little sister come say me do this and do that, me I tell her no straight what happen. And she the right so can come tell her no to. Me not give a fuck no more. Me stop hide things now, brother. No go suck out to no mother, brother. Me fucking pick me, brother. I'm my youth, brother. Oh, stupid you not think maybe, brother. Oh, fucking stupid you not think maybe, brother.
I realize everybody
You have
look
every
up for
fucking thing
nothing.
with you, brother. Him here stay just like mine, brother. I have the two dimples them just like mine, brother. Color now worry about, brother. Color. What the fuck? I'm not racist, bro.
No make that bother your brown man. For you know what you know, brother.
Nah, but
You
that
know what
bother
you
my baby
know.
mother, bro. She just come out of Bumbuck
Me know.
hospital just a few weeks ago,
And she
bro.
go feel a way about that fear them something there too. And you know.
Constantly, so, brother. Bumbuckler dog, my youth you don't even know, you know, my friend. My youth on the start glad say Bumbuckler internet know me, and I can't hide and do couple of songs, you know, my friend. I should have glad say me all brown. Pussy. I tell you no. But me can't hide and do no some things.
But me see, but my brother, I said thing, when I say about for my brother, you know, I have one pitney where I cool, you know, and I truly pitney favor in sister brother, I dead stamp on sister brother. And when DNA do a him pitney, yeah, we always say enough him. I'll admit it I say too, but I feel
Brother,
pitney. So
look
me,
for
they
me
tell
eye
us the
them.
color no have nothing to do with it.
Bams, look for me eye them. In picture out there, look for him eye them. You can't hide.
I fear him.
So all of them a chat and chat and chat and chat and chat constantly makes no fucking sense.
And
They are
them no
cloud chasing and trying
understand
to exploit my fucking child for make money, brother. Or if you try to exploit my child for make money, that's stupid, brother.